Moving right along with our Christmas spectacular, which means a video every day at 8 p.m. But even when it's not the Christmas spectacular, you can still watch Dave's Cooking Show every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. All right, today we have Bourbon Milk Punch, and I know that sounds insane, but trust me, this drink was actually delicious. All right, first thing, you want 2.5 ounces of whole milk, and I do mean whole milk. 1% skim, 2%, it's not going to work. Get yourself some whole milk. And then you want to add 2 ounces of bourbon whiskey. And then you want to add about 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. And then you want to add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then you want to pop the top on the shaker and give it a good old-fashioned shake. Shake for about, 15 seconds. And just pour it into a nice filled glass, and that's it. Bourbon Milk Punch. Done. And like I said, this drink's really good, but it is extremely rich. So, and again, I would not want to get fucked up on this unless I'm going into the lethal injection chamber tomorrow. And I'll get the sweet release of death. So yeah, Bourbon Milk Punch. Done.